Hello. Sorry, I wasn't prepared. Um, I figured today Minecraft. So I've made a copy of this one, but I've been doing a lot of the misspelled survival Minecraft world. Um, so I'll make sure y'all see that I'm genuinely not like no commands and like all that stuff. Um, like it's just full-fledged survival. That's all. Here, give me a second. My game wants to lag now. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Give me my hammer. What do you mean, brother? Oh, it's already in my inventory. Alright, so. Is the lag gone? No. Okay, well, whatever. Anyway, so. Just to show you guys that everything I have in my backpack, like all the blocks and all that stuff you see here, isn't hacked in, I'll do slash game mode 1. It is complete survival. Complete survival. And so I've done a lot of work. I've got myself a smeltery, a house for my wife, another portal, my house, bed, chest for like random stuff that I haven't moved into my new chest room, my dirt chest that I have to move as well. Then we got this thing, which is like a huge mixture of just mess. We've got this 3D printer that I have no idea how to work. We've got this back room. Now in here, this is a funny thing. We got a decrafting table, a crafting table, a anvil, a duplication chest, diamond furnace, copper chest, and then a bunch of these armory things. Now you're probably like, wait a minute, isn't that cheating? No, because look what I had to do to get the dupe chest. I had to craft things. And to craft things, you needed thing ingots. And to craft those, you needed ore. And to get the ore, you needed emerald, redstone, and diamond. So I got to get those individually. So I've been playing this for like a while. That's why I haven't been uploading. So I managed to get that. So now, or that. So yeah, anyways. So we got some tools here. Let me just see if I can put these away because I don't know. So I'll try to make some vibranium armor here. We can work on that. Okay, so from the looks of it, the only things we can make are the weapons. So let's just do armor. Constructs armory. Alright, so let's see what we can make. We've got steel, electrum, silver, magma, netherrack, cobalt, ardite, manulin, copper, bronze, lead, slime, night slime, pig iron, firewood, sponge, paper, wooden, stone, flint, cactus, bone, obsidian, prismarine, and end. So that's everything for the armor, which kind of sucks because I really wanted to make vibranium armor, but you know, sadly it didn't want to work, so no vibranium armor. So yeah, So now into my blocks and this. And then, oh, and ingots. I don't know why I had that. Alright. So, these are all my blocks. I've worked extremely, extremely hard to get all of this. I got some kryptonite, tin, all that jazz. These are vibranium. That's uru, iron, uru, diamond, bone. Yeah, adamantium, which is cool. Then we got ingots. Like I said, I worked in survival to get every ingot you see here. Well, minus this. I just can't uncraft those, so I'm going to probably smelt them down soon. And then we got my tools. So I've got a vibranium axe, adamantium pickaxe, adamantium arrow, adamantium short bow, adamantium shovel, adamantium sword, vibranium rape, I don't know, reaper, vibranium pickaxe, stone, and palladium. So yeah, that's my tools. And then I've got some of these, and it wouldn't hurt to go through them just to show you all the stuff I worked on for a very long time. So in here we've just got some random stuff. That's some particle accelerators to get the flash. We've got lava buckets for the furnace or the melter down. We have all my speedsters related things. And so we've got this Savitar. I found the Philosopher's Stone again. We have Speed Force and Negative Speed Force. And yeah, pretty cool stuff. Then we have my main suit. So I've got an Ant-Man, Wakandan shield, and Black Panther, Cap, Spider-Man, Thor, and Iron Man. And then in here we have Superman, Transdimensional, and Ancient Myth Spirit, which is pretty much Herobrine. And yeah, that's everything I have gotten so far in my backpacks. Oh, and then I have stuff in here, like I've got my Nano Gauntlet. I'm waiting to find the Space Stone. Kree Battle Axe, Enchantment Book, Drop of Evil, Glass Book. Yeah, you know the deal. And here we got Netherite, Rack, and Dirt. And then we have two more things here. These were originally wasted. I still have to find out what that's used for, but whatever. So in here we just have a bunch of the first stuff that I got while I was playing. Yeah. And then in here is just some other stuff that I got while I first started playing. And then in here, as you can tell, Iron Chests mod, we've filled up a couple chests. So this is a bunch of just stuff. Yes, I did fight the Ender Dragon. These are the real things. I duplicated them because, like I said, I earned it in survival. I've got some spare caps, shields, and then I have a customized one right here. I call it the Nomad Shield, but, you know, you can choose to call it whatever you want to. Then we've got some spare pieces. So we've got some Ant-Man pieces here. We've got Advanced Circuit, Stable Ender Pearl, which is used for this. Spectre Key, but for that you need ingots. And to get ingots, you need Ectoplasm. And to get Ectoplasm, you need a potion. And I don't have that, so that's just kind of sitting out for now. And we've got some other stuff, like this is used to create those bags of holding. Down here we've just got all the other backpacks I found. Some like Ender Lilies, bone, a bunch of glass. We've got some instructions here. Oh, are these? Yep, these are all my suit instructions for when they break. Sadly, Thor's suit can't be crafted. It can only be found in Norse villages. So I can't really use that if I'm in a fight. And yeah, we got a little cave down here, but that's nothing too much to worry about. And then we've got some spare stuff. I literally scoured the entire Minecraft world to find these casts, and then after that it was easy because I just had Uru already. The casts and the Thor armor was the hardest to get, in my opinion. All the other stuff I could just craft easily, but yeah, like this whole world I have scoured literally everywhere. Like, I don't think I can even zoom out enough to show you guys. Like, I've been over this way for like 1,000 blocks or so. Like, I've found a bunch of villages, and then we'll go back over this way. And I have literally been everywhere searching for the space stone. And I mean, I have been everywhere. The only way to find a space stone is in a Norse village. But the only Norse villages I found never held them. And it was like really annoying. Like, hold on. But yeah, like I've been everywhere in this world. Well, not everywhere. Like, right here, that's a Norse village. And actually, that's the Norse village you want. Because it has the chapel thing. But that one didn't hold the stone. Or the tesseract, I should say. So I continued searching. And I searched. And I searched. And searched. So still no luck yet finding the space stone. Yeah. So that's what's been up in my life. I'm just trying to get the space stone so I can teleport around. Essentially, I don't need it because I have the transdimensional powers, which pretty much means I just can teleport and stuff. But it would be cool to have the Infinity Gauntlet. So yeah. And then this one is just a world I'm working on to be a duplicate of this. Just kind of like a backup version. Actually, speaking of backup version. Yeah. I ran into a problem because when I hit recreate, it just copied the world and not all the structures built in it. So, yeah. Anyway. I've got like a bunch of Minecraft mods installed. Like, I don't know if you can see all this. And then we got like add-ons in here. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Now, I'm not going to record Fortnite. That'll most likely be live streams on the PlayStation. Yeah. Anyway, let me know if y'all want me to live stream Jedi Fallen Order. Because I do have the game, and I actually have the premium game. Which means I have the orange lightsaber crystal variation. And I would definitely be down to make to live stream Jedi Fallen Order. But I don't want to do something anyone else and everyone else doesn't want to do. So, yeah. Anyway, with that being said, thank you guys for watching the video and sticking to the end. And I'll see you the next video, whenever that is, because I don't really have a schedule for videos. Yeah, peace.